So, Sam, tell me, what have you heard from prospects about sort of the tension between business and security?
Yeah, absolutely. It comes up all the time as far as just my experience in the space, and ultimately it comes down to the ROI of security just being significantly less tangible than that of other investments, those that are driving revenue themselves. Does the business know that they should be investing in security? Of course, but do they? That varies. It's kind of like insurance. So, to no surprise, the key is really connecting the initiative to the business's bottom line. Can this offset current spend? Can it attract new business opportunities? Things of that nature. And ultimately, unfortunately, in a lot of cases, it becomes a priority more as a reaction to an event either internally that they've experienced or close to them, which honestly makes Venn very compelling in that it can help both reduce current spend, especially for folks already leveraging VDI today, mainly as more of a security measure, and also, enhance their security outside of that and what they're doing on unmanaged or personal devices. So there's a lot of opportunity within Venn to really connect that security to the business's needs.